Hello, good morning to everyone. In previous class, we already finished up to question number 4. First, we will do question number 6, and after 6, we will do question number 5. So, first question number 6 in 13.2, we have to find trace each figure and draw the lines of symmetry if any. We have to draw the line of symmetry if there is a line of symmetry. Can you find a line of symmetry on this figure? It is a triangle, but view observe that it is not only a triangle, its side are extended some more, and we have to find its line of symmetry. If you will take this one, tell me, can they will when we take this line of symmetry, this line is dividing in two identical parts? No, because in that side, in left side, down side is no, and in right side it is extended line is not given. So it means there is in this figure no line of symmetry. Yes, line of symmetry mean, because if we take a simple triangle in isosceles triangle, to V it is a line of symmetry, because in this figure downside is also given, but left side is downside line is not given. That's why in this figure no line of symmetry. Next, in second figure, how many line of symmetry? Yes, it is line of symmetry. Yes, upside and downside both are same. Yes, it is line of symmetry. Yes, left side this one and this one, this one, they are covered. That means you write two lines of symmetry. Next, view observed, it is a octagon. Octagon means a closed figure in which 8 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But we observe that this side is greater to the all other side. Among the all other 8 sides, it is greater. So it means it is a not regular. Regular means dear all sides are equal. It means all sides are not equal. That means, can we take it is a line of symmetry or not? Yes. If it is a greater side, so we will take its middle. So it is line of symmetry. And same as it is. It is a line of symmetry. Can you take it diagonally also? No, we cannot diagonal. There is only two line of symmetry. You can make a figure same as it is in your notebook, and you will cut and fold yourself. You will check it. There is only two line of symmetry. Okay. Now C part you can do yourself. Okay. Now E part. E part. How many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and all are unequal side. So we have to find line of symmetry. It is line of symmetry or not? Yes. Because this one and these two sides already equal, these two equal. So when we fold, so this corner, when we fold it, this corner come on this corner. And can you say that it is also line of symmetry? No. On left side is triangle, and on right side not a triangle. It is no line of symmetry. So how many? To write one line of symmetry. It is very simple. Okay, do yourself. And F part also, I think in F there is the 4 line of symmetry. Okay, you will do yourself F part. Okay. Now question number 5. If you are not understand, if you are facing problem in any questions, you will make figure and cut with scissor, then you will fold it. Okay. Now question number 5, A part. A triangle on a square paper, sketch the following. A triangle with a horizontal line of symmetry. Horizontal. Yes, everyone know it is vertical line and horizontal. This one is horizontal. Now you have to make a triangle which have only horizontal line of symmetry. So we will make like this one. Yes, it is a triangle or not? And in the question, A part we have to find only horizontal. Yes, vertical is no line of symmetry, but horizontal. line of symmetry or not? Upside and downside both are equal. Make isosceles triangle. Okay, maybe it is not. You will say, sir, it is not isosceles. I know, but because I am making roughly. Okay, so it is a B part. Next is a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means a figure which have four sides with both horizontal and vertical. Everyone know, in a rectangle, horizontal also and vertical also. Only yes, rectangle you can make. So it is horizontal also and vertical. So you write name rectangle. Its name you will write isosceles triangle. Which one? Isosceles. Many questions we already have done. Next is C part. A quadrilateral with a horizontal line of symmetry but no vertical. It is also a quadrilateral. Rectangle is also quadrilateral. Square is also quadrilateral. Rhombus is also a quadrilateral, and parallelogram is also a quadrilateral. But we have to make a quadrilateral. Very important. It is with a horizontal line of symmetry but no vertical. Only horizontal. It is horizontal. So we will make like this one. 1, 2, 3, 3, and it is 4 side. Yes, I think it figure again make. This figure how many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4. We have to only vertical line of symmetry. Yes, it is a vertical. When we fold, it is cover or not? And next is, and it is vertically is also no. In vertical, this one side. So it is not a. So its name you can give. Its name is trapezium. Trapezium. Trapezium is also a quadrilateral in which only one pair of opposite sides are equal. It is okay, but we rotate it. It is trapezium. Okay, any name you can write. Okay, otherwise you can make only figure. Okay, so it means it is 5 centimeter. You can take. It is also 5, and it is 7. Okay, you can make. Next is. Next is D part. Everyone know what is hexagon. In question number 1, E part, a hexagon is given. There is 2 hexagons. If all side, hexagon means a closed figure in which 6 sides. Okay, and if in any hexagon all 6 sides are equal, so it is a regular hexagon. Regular hexagon. But we know regular hexagon mean all 6 sides are equal. 6, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Okay. But in the question he is asking a hexagon with exactly only 2 lines of symmetry, not more than 2. Only exactly. So it means we will make a hexagon whose all sides are not equal. So we will make like this one. 1, 2. But we will make like this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. We observe that this side is greater than this one. And now, so it is hexagon. And how many lines of symmetry? Only 2. One is horizontal. Only this one. Horizontal or next is vertically. And when we will check it diagonally, they will not a line of symmetry. You can write the name of the line of symmetry LN only. Okay. Next is a hexagon with 6 lines of symmetry. So 6 lines of symmetry always in a regular hexagon. In first part, in first question E part we already do. So it is 1, 2, 3. Okay, because it is a regular hexagon. Regular means all sides are equal. Here is side are not equal. 4, 5 and 6. It is a regular hexagon. Understand it? Next is question number 7. Question number 7. Everyone know in our English alphabet there is a 26 alphabet A to Z. So consider the following letters of English alphabet A to Z. List among the letters which have vertical line of symmetry. So we will write vertical line of symmetry in which one, and which one has horizontal line of symmetry, and next is no line of symmetry. So tell me, in first we will check in A vertical or not. In A it is A. Yes. Which one? A has a vertical line of symmetry. In B, so we will check every alphabet. So in B, vertical is a line of symmetry. No, it is here. Next, in C, tell me. In C also horizontal. Next is D. It is D. So D is also horizontal, no vertical line. But E, tell me E. So check it. E. So E vertical is no, only horizontal. So write E. Now F. Do you know F has which one line of symmetry? If you will take horizontal, in upside this side and downside only single. So it means in a F no line of symmetry. Same as it is. Tell me H. H is a vertical or horizontal? If we take this one, so they will cover. Next is, if we will take this one, it is also. So it means in H both horizontal also, vertical also. Now H, G, I. In I is a horizontal. So same as it is, you will find in which one alphabet has vertical and which one has horizontal and which one have no line of symmetry. So you will find yourself. Okay, same as it is. Y has any line of symmetry? No. If you will take like this one, horizontal is no line of symmetry, and in vertical no. So Y. So same as it is, you will find. You will check all alphabets. Understand? You will check all alphabets. Next, question number 8. Question number 8. Given here are figures. So a few folded sheet and design drawn the rough diagram of the complete the figure would have seen in the design. So we have to. It is a line of symmetry given. It's been already. Suppose it is a paper. Okay. It is a paper, and in the this question is given like this one. It is given. Okay. And suppose we already make here. Okay. I am making here. Yes, it is. It is a figure, but I fold it like this one. Yes, it is a figure, and but in this figure I fold it. So it means same as when you again. It is a figure. When you unfold it, it is become like. So it means when we fold it, you will same as it is like this one, like this one. What is given now? Now we will open. What we will do? So it will. When you unfold it, it will become. When you again fold, it is figure. When you like this Okay, they will cover. In B part, paper is, it is line of symmetry. Okay, and when we fold it, it is like this. So it means when you open it, same as it is figure. For you will join here to here, here and here. So when you when you fold it, it will become. Understand it? So it is very simple exercise. We already has finished. Now we will do 13.3. It's very simple. Only 3 questions is given, and we will finish today this chapter. Yes. In this one, we will learn reflection. Reflection and symmetry. Yes. What is reflection? Yes. Every morning, whenever we go to school, before go to school, first we will comb the hair. Yes, we comb the hair, and we comb the hair. We use of mirror. That means whenever we will see our hair in the mirror, it means it is a reflection. So we can see to ourselves because of the reflection. So what is reflection? So reflection and symmetry both are same. Okay, reflection and symmetry both are same. So don't be confused. Either in the question is given mirror image he is asking, symmetry he is asking, or reflection. All are same. So they are connected to each other. All are the related and linked to each other. They are the same. Okay. Same as it is. Suppose it is a mirror. Okay. If it is a mirror and if it is M in the last question, so what is its image? Its image become like this one in mirror. Always remember, dear, in mirror when we see our face, we observe our hand, left hand side and right side hands are changed. Left become right become left whenever we see in mirror. Same as it is. It is a mirror. We know it is on left. This figure, this face, this one is on our left side. So it means it is, again, if it is a mirror, okay, it is a mirror and you want to its image. I already told, in mirror every time left become right become left. Same as it is in this one. This open face on left side. So when we see its image, if it is left side, so now it is become on right side. Same as it is this one on right side, but on mirror it is becoming left side. Yes, like this one, it is the image. Understand? It is the image. So it is left, it is right side, here is become left side. This open on left side, but it's open right side. So only one thing is, remember, very simple. In mirror, left become right become left. Understand it? Now we will do our exercise. 13.3. In 13.3, again, how many, in first question, how many line of symmetry in each of the following figure? So in each of the following figure, first part, A part, so how many line of symmetry we already finished in 13.1 and 2. 1, 2, yes. Any other line of symmetry? Yes. 3, and it is 4. How many line of symmetry? It is 4. Next, in B part. In B part is Christmas tree, like this one. Christmas tree. So it is how many line of symmetry? Only one line of. So here we will write 4 line of symmetry, and in here 1 line of symmetry. Same as it is in C part. We already do in C part. How many line of symmetry? It is So in this one, sorry, it is given. So how many line of symmetry in this one figure? One when we fold it, and second is this one. So how many line of symmetry? There is 2 line of symmetry. Same as it is, you can do yourself. D, E and F part also. Find the line of symmetry. Next is second question. Second question, same as it is, we already do in 13.1. We have only there is 2 line of symmetry. It is one. It is there are the 2 line of symmetry L and M. In every figure is given 2 dotted line. So dotted, I am making it dotted. It is dotted line. Okay. Dotted line or not? It is a dotted line, and there is a 2 line of symmetry. So we have to complete the figure. Yes, tell me. First, suppose it is only, dear. First, we only forget we will forget there is only 1 line of symmetry. We will remember first. Suppose there is a 1 line. Suppose it is not a line of symmetry. Suppose only thing, and if it is given only, so it is a line of symmetry. So same as it is downside, same as it is. Same as it is on. Yes, whatever in down, whatever in line of symmetry mean? Divide into 2 identical parts. What is in downside? Same as it is on. Upside to down to upside. It is. Understand? Now we are suppose it is a line of symmetry. What is on right side? Same as it is on left side. So same as it is you. So it is our figure. It is your answer. Understand? Next is B part. In B part, these are the 2 line of symmetry. It is 2 line of symmetry, and what is given there? It is given. I am making figure 1. Now 2, 3, and 1 second. 1, 2, 3, and it is 4. Understand? It is given 1, 2. In B part it is given. So we have to make. Yes. Suppose first we forget it is not a line symmetry. Only vertical. Vertical means whatever on left side same as it is on right side. So 1 line, this one, next this one, next this one, and next this one. Same as it is. Whatever on top side same as it is downside. So downside we will make. So same as it is 1, this one, and this one. Same as it is here. Only we will follow it. This one. Understand? This one and this one. It is your line of symmetry. So same as it is, you can do other parts also. Okay? D, E and F part also. Understand or not? One more part if you want to ask. Now I think time is very less. Okay? So do yourself other parts also. Now question number 3. Question number 3, we have to given in each of the following alongside a letter of alphabet is shown along with a vertical line. Take the mirror image. Yes, it is a mirror here. It is mirror. So we have to find the mirror image. So mirror image of this one. What I told you, in mirror image mean left become right, right become left. So it is here on right side. So it is here left side. It is here left. So another side. So same image become of the A. Now B part. Mirror image of B. Mirror image of B is very important. Look at. We observe that this line is on left side, so it is become right side. We observe that this one circles, these circles are on right side, so it means they are become left side. So it is the mirror image. Understand? Always remember beta dear, in left, in the mirror image, left become right, right become left. Only this much. We observe that it is here. This one number is on left, again right. These two circles are on right, so here left side. One more, but in the question is given, we have to try one more. Which one? We observe that it is a circle, so it is become a same. But we will observe which one next? E. So E, we observe that this one. We observe that this E is open on open. These are open side. Which one? On the right side. So it means open become left. So this one. And it is closed from left. Now it is closed from right. Here left, here right. Open from right, here from left. Understand? It is very simple. Next is E. After E, it is M. So M, we observe that this one number on right side, so it is become left. Now I think it will become same. Understand? Because it is a vertical mirror image. Next is, which letter look the same in the image? So looks same. Which one? A is same as looks. Next is O, and next is M also. Next we will find N. So now N. And now very difficult. We observe that this numbers on right, so here left. And now this is from here downside, it is closed. So downside it is, and now it is. So it is the mirror of the V. Understand? Now next is P. We observe that this circle on right, so here on left. And now understand? So same as it is. You find more part. P, after P, H. In H become same. So we will find H. Next is L. L is very interesting. It is L. We observe that this sticks on left, so here left, on right. So this one. Understand? Next is T. So T become, it is T, so it is T. So next is T. So same as it is, you can find us. Understand it? So this our chapter is also finished. Now only 2 more chapters is left in our syllabus. Okay? Chapter number 14 and 9 is left. Okay? Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.